Hello and welcome everybody to the channel of WorkPoint 365 Explorer. Today we will show you a different kind of video and talk about some of the most frequently asked questions about WorkPoint. That's why you are here, Elbron, as well. So I'm very happy to welcome Elbron Betsayyad, our pre-sales specialist at WorkPoint, who will share his knowledge with us. We start directly, Elbron, because we do not waste time in WorkPoint 365 Explorer. So first question is, we use SharePoint, Teams or Office 365, but how is WorkPoint actually integrated into the Microsoft ecosystem?
Right, so WorkPoint technically is built directly on top of SharePoint Online, right? So this gives us the capabilities to integrate and embed WorkPoint across the Microsoft suite. So literally in SharePoint, we're available there, but also in Teams, directly in the application. Also something like Outlook and the rest of the Office ecosystem, you can have direct access to WorkPoint. And this ensures, first of all, adoption, but also the end user can have access to WorkPoint data across the entire platform and across applications. That's a great advantage.
So you basically say that the user, if they choose WorkPoint, basically can use their most known interfaces like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and still have the control and the structure of WorkPoint behind, right?
Exactly, yeah.
I think I don't have to add anything to this. So the second question is, we need a project management system and an HR solution. Can WorkPoint be used for both of these needs?
Absolutely, yeah. And that's actually something we see quite often, right? So generally speaking, WorkPoint consists of different building blocks, one of them being project management, another being contract management, and so on. And you can actually combine these building blocks to create your own solution. Now, mind you, obviously, you can control access across these building blocks and different modules in the actual solution. So you still have correct right management, right, and permission management. But yes, absolutely, you can combine them.
I think this is key because access, or let's say the permission, to have the permission is very key of this, because in HR there are confidential information maybe about people, and not everybody should have access to the documents of my private situation maybe.
Exactly.
So I think this is very important, but it is very good that you can combine them and use them for both needs. Last question for today. What licensing or solution requirements should we meet in order to have WorkPoint?
Right, so as I mentioned earlier, WorkPoint is built directly on SharePoint, and this answer is quite simple here. Any Microsoft 365 license that includes SharePoint Online, and you're good to go.
I think that was quite easy for you. We have to find more difficult questions for you.
There are plenty out there. Yeah.
It's very good. Thank you very much, Elbron.
Thank you.
This was a very nice insight to get your experience from the talks with our customers in the pre-sales meetings. So this was very important. And do not miss the next episode next week, where we will still stand here and talk about the most common questions from you about WorkPoint. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.